Hey, this is Tim Reynolds with Utah Homes and Property and the Reynolds Real Estate. Wanted to do a live video of this listing in Spanish Fork. It's a gorgeous horse property. I'm going to walk you through it, and if you have any interest, let me know. Just send me a message or call me at 801-946-7005. So let me turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you this property. It's a beautiful day here in Spanish Fork. It just rained a ton, and so when I show you the back of the property where the arena is, it's a bit muddy, but I'm going to start in the front, give you a little tour of the inside of the house, and then go out in the back. So this is the front. Has a two-car garage, carport. It's really a beautiful house. Over to the right of the house, this is a retirement home, so you have some really quiet neighbors. I'll give you an aerial view here when I get to the upstairs of the house, but let me walk you inside and I'll just do a tour of the house all the way through. So nice big front porch, cool oversized door that's very sturdy. Walk in. As you walk in, you go right into the entryway, and to the right is a pretty nice formal living room. So nice hardwood floors, stained kind of a darker color. Plenty of room here with some big windows that face south with a lot of natural light. Stairway to the upstairs where there's 5 bedrooms. I'll show you those here in a second, but let me show you the first floor first. So here is the mud room. Have some really cool stenciled tile in here. So good sized mud room that goes into the garage, and they have a nice laundry room and half bath. As we go out, you go right into kind of the main living area. So a great room, which includes this really nice family room, gas fireplace. That thing pumps out some hot air. Really nice shiplap walls that they've put in, and then a really gorgeous kitchen. So nice granite countertops, newly painted white cabinets. You can go downstairs, which I'll show you here in a second. Right there. This door to the right is actually a pantry. It's for their just for the go-to goods. And then this room back here is their larger oversized pantry. It's actually a room where they have tons of storage for food, and then both appliances and platters and things like that here. So plenty of room in this room for food storage, for just a large pantry, a little mini fridge there. And it just works out really well. So let me go down and show you the downstairs. So the downstairs is a great living area, and the carpet was looking a little shabby, so they tore it all out. They were going to put in some just neutral mid-grade carpet, but they decided to give the buyer of this property kind of their choice. So they're giving a couple $1,000s in carpet allowance, but it's a really great space down here. So let me go to the right first and show you this pretty good sized storage room. So tons of storage here. This house is just over 4,200 square feet. This basement has a ton of living area down here. You got a utility closet there to your left. Lots of room for a couch or for a ping pong table or a pool table. And then you got a huge bedroom back here. So you walk back, and this is just a giant room. This has a 3/4 bath here with a shower. And as we go back, this room is just ginormous. It can be easily converted into a decent sized theater room, or this could really be good guest quarters for the downstairs. So let's go back up. and I'll show you the third floor. And so, quite a good sized house on 3 different levels. And after I show you the third floor, I'm going to show you the pretty amazing property it's on. It's on 0.8 acres, so just under an acre, and has some pretty awesome space and buildings back there as well. So let me walk you upstairs and show you the bedroom. So sorry for the glare of that window. We're going to start from the bedrooms here to the right. So there's actually 5 bedrooms up here, and they're all really good sized. So we'll first go to this one on the right. This is a large bedroom with some really nice trims. As I turn around here, there's actually 2 really big closets behind there. Gosh, this bedroom is probably almost 15 feet by 15 feet. It's really good sized. Across the hall, there's another bedroom that's smaller, but still really good size. Hello, little kitty. And good sized closet there. One thing I love about this upstairs is these 2 lights up above. They're actually skylights, and they let in a ton of natural light, which is really fantastic from just a natural light perspective and from an energy perspective. So this is 1 bath. There's 3 full baths up here, including the master bath. This is one of the full baths. Has a nice tiled shower area. Go back out. And then I'll show you these other 2 bedrooms. So this is the smallest of the 5 bedrooms. Still very nice room that fit a twin bed and have you plenty of space. And then this bedroom off to the left is actually the largest, or the second largest, of the non-master bedrooms. And so tons of space here, little built-in desk. And this bedroom actually features a walk-in closet, so I'll show you that here in a sec. So good sized walk-in closet. As we go down the hall, there's another full bath here to the left, and then we go right into the master suite. And so this is a pretty amazing space. It's very bright, very open. This is a California king-size bed, and I'm going to show you the balcony here in a sec, but I want to show you the master bathroom first. And so master bathroom is really large. That's very much an oversized tub, and then the shower feels like it just goes on and on. So huge shower, the 2 nozzles, or the 2 shower heads, I should say. Nice tile work done there. This master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. So it has that one on the right, and then another walk-in closet on the left. And back there is actually a bonus room. So it's a good-sized room that could be a craft room or a nursery, and it's really some great space. So let me show you this balcony. For anyone that's seen the pictures of this home online, this is where the beautiful views are. And so gorgeous view of some of the mountains surrounding Spanish Fork. Let me walk out there and I'll give you kind of an aerial view of the property. So I mentioned earlier in the video that this property is not an apartment complex on the right. It's actually retirement home. So really quiet neighbors, really just sweet, friendly people that live there. And then you have a lot of open space off to the left. That's actually an elementary school. And so some good neighbors on that side as well. And then as you can see on the far left, it's real neighborhood. This view from the balcony, let me give you a shot of the balcony, gives a good perspective of the property. So I'm going to walk out there here in a second, but that barn is pretty awesome. It's a really large space that has electric to it and is on a foundation, and then behind it is the arena. There's a couple fruit trees there, and then the whole arena in the back is actually lined by fruit trees. So it's apricot, cherry, and apple trees. and I'll walk out there and we'll get a little bit of a closer look. So let's walk downstairs, and I'll show you the part that's actually classified as horse property. So this home is absolutely a horse property with the barn and with the arena, but the property can be pretty versatile as well. I've done a few showings to folks recently that have said, hey, that barn could be a pretty great pool house or another living area. I can turn that into a family gathering area. And as I show you inside, it absolutely could be. So as I walk right outside, there's a pretty big covered patio area, some nice painted concrete here, and then you have more of a mosaic patio here. So let me show you right around the house. You got a nice fire pit, and then you have a ton of patio here on this side of the house. Right over there by that storage box is actually there's electrical run for 220. It's so a hot tub can go in there. And then, as you can see, the yard is just humongous. There's probably close to a 1/4 acre of grass just here in the yard. So nice in-ground trampoline. This driveway, or this gravel area over here, is actually a driveway that can fit a lot of vehicles or a camper, or they had a full-size bus here at one point. I'm going to turn around and show you the other view to where there's actually double gates where you can drive anything you want back here and park it here pretty easily. So let me show you these outbuildings in this barn. I opened the big garage door so that you can see how light it is and just how quality construction it is. But you got a big covered patio here. That white building, or that white little structure there, was where they had ducks. In the back they have a chicken coop and some horse stalls. But let me show you inside this barn. Back there on the left is the corral, and it's pretty wet and muddy right now because we just got a ton of rain, but I'll do my best to show you it. So this is a huge space for feed or for storage. Like I said, a lot of people have talked about renovating this and putting it into turning it into a big family living space, or even a pool house if they want to put a pool on this property. So it's definitely a horse property, but it can be diversified to really do what you want with it. Through this door and the door there on the right is actually their tack room. So the tack room is good sized. So lots of area, lots of space for tools or for saddles or whatever you need. And then it goes right into the arena. So you can see the arena is pretty wet right now, but there's a ton of space, and I'm gonna walk and hopefully not get too muddy. So chicken coop here. That little structure is a playhouse, which is fun for kids. And then let me see if I can get a view of the horse stalls here. So there's the back of the house, and they have some horse stalls here. So this is the house, the horse property I have listed here in Springville. Hopefully you weren't turning your neck the whole time during this video, because I had it sideways rather than up and down. It's vertical. And thanks for watching.